Now let's start to answer arithmetic sequence condition. Given in this sequence 3, 11, 19, 27, 35, 43, and 51, and so on. As we can see, we have infinite arithmetic sequence. Find the following. Letter A, find the common difference. Letter B, find the 20th term of this sequence. Letter C, find the general formula of the sequence given. Tatapusin nyo nga ang ating video kasi ipapaliwanag ko from letter A, letter B, hanggang letter C. Huwag nyong kakalimutang panoorin ang buong bidyong ito. Simulan na nga natin. Magsimula tayo sa letter A. Okay, let's start to answer letter A. Find the common difference. Paano nga ba natin kuhanin ang common difference? Tingnan lang muna natin ang array form ng ating given sequence. 3, 11, 19, 27, 35, 43, 51. Is it decreasing or increasing? Tama, ito ay increasing. Palaki ang number. Kapag increasing, we will have a positive common difference. Pero kapag naman ang given ay decreasing, nagsimula sa malaking number, pababa, ang magiging value ng ating common difference ay negative. Okay, now, since 3, 11, 19, 27, 35, 43, 51, and so on, is in the form of increasing order, positive value ang magiging sagot natin sa common difference. Paano naman ito kuhanin? Tingnan lang natin yung ating first term at second term. 3. Ano yung idinagdag bago naging 11? Tama, 8. Therefore, 8 ang ating common difference. Pwede rin naman ang gawin natin, isubtract natin yung second term sa first term. 11 minus 3 is also 8. Then, i-check din natin yung third term. Yung third term naman ay isubtract natin sa second term. 19 minus 11 is also 8. Therefore, we are sure now that the common difference value is 8. Okay, now let's start to answer. Let's proceed to letter B. Find the 20th term of this sequence. Paano nga ba kuhanin ang 20th term of the given sequence? Again, tingnan uli natin yung given. 3, 11, 19, 27, 35, 43, 51. Ilan term ang given natin? We have 2, 4, 6, 7. We have 7 terms given. Okay, now kukuhanin natin if 3 is our first term or a sub 1, kukuhanin naman natin yung pang 20 term of this given sequence. How? Paano natin kukuhanin? Now we're going to apply this formula. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times common difference. Kanina nga nakuha natin ang value ng common difference. Ang value ay 8. Isa-substitute natin. Ano yung mga value na gagamitin natin? Ang value ng a sub 1, first term ay 3. At ang value ng n, which is ang kinukuha natin ay pang 20 term. Therefore, n equals 20. Okay, gawin natin. This will become a sub n equals or a sub 20 equals 3 plus the quantity of 20 minus 1 times 8. Then, substitute a sub 20 equals 3 plus 19 times 8. And 19 times 8 is 152. Okay, now, a sub 20 equals 3 plus 152. Therefore, a sub 20 is 155. Therefore, the 20th term of this sequence, 3, 11, 19, 27, 35, 43, 51, and so on, is 155. Okay, now let's move to letter C. Find the general formula of the given sequence. Okay, now in this, to get it, we're going to use again the formula. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times the common difference. Okay, we need to substitute the two values only. Okay, the a sub 1 value which is 3 and the value of d which is 8. Okay, we don't need the a sub n and the n value. Why? Because we are finding the general formula. Okay, now substitute a sub n equals, the value of a sub 1 is 3. Okay, we are going to write it. A sub n equals 3 plus n minus 1 times 8. Then simplify it. A sub n equals 3 plus distributive property. We're going to distribute by multiplying it 8 times the binomial term n minus 1. Then copy. A sub n equals 3 plus 8n minus 8. Then a sub n equals 8n. Then negative 8 plus 3 is negative 5. Therefore, the formula or the general formula for this pattern sequence is a sub n equals 8n minus 5.